No. I just don't want to.
I know where that's coming from. I know where that's coming from.
So just here with Gangali just doing a little stuff. Peace.
You know what you cook goat meat?
You know, we are fried some fish in the cousin. They are two thin and appetizer.
God. What a good man. Then you make sure
We're going to Colombia tomorrow.
oh, yeah. Come here.
And then, you know, if you are cancer, we stay for it.
Oh, yeah, she told me, yeah. That's the next thing you have to see.
I know that time say Brian say I got work Sunday.
I don't drink when I get here.
I said then after break down, I said Brian thing couldn't walk all week. Brian tell me say lose 9 pounds. What me say today? Say Brian if you lose 9 pounds now
You want me to get it for you? Oh, you got it.
Me can't look at you too long. I'm killing them never look one. And with last time I see you lose so much weight so quick. Since last week you say lose 9 pounds. I said, that's a lot of weight so far. And then you go say I got work Sunday and you couldn't walk.
But you know what? Somebody be a bit keep her cool. You leaving? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, Sally. Yeah.
What you do now?
They are trying to fish out down in the course tomorrow. And then my wife might drop out in the night in the evening. Yeah.
Okay.
So I just
My condolences, man.
I just think about things and my cousins because she kind of sick to have the cancer, you know.
Wow, so much things going on.
There's the fish with 2 fish, you know, Escovitch, so I deal with it in the night. Can't go to Colombia or go tomorrow.
Oh, Colombia.
Yeah. Just to Colombia. The favorite cousin, so I have to do everything here, you know?
Yeah.
Parrot and some.
What kind of fish, I mean?
Parrot, yeah.
Which, a snapper, guys?
No, goldfish this.
Oh, goldfish.
Yeah, this goldfish. This goldfish. And it's our favorite parrot.
Parrot.
Yeah, it's our favorite parrot. And I have Escovitch there, you know?
Oh,
So we cut up the Escovitch season, you know?
so yeah, all the season here.
Yeah, parrot. One of them things there. And I have a big up Bantan birthday today. So
Oh, Bantan birthday.
today, yeah. And I have to dig him up on his birthday, you know?
Yeah.
A brother from a different mother. Yeah. So big up Bantan for your birthday, see?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, come over here then. And I'm
Yeah,
going to
okay.
try for that.
So Karen mother passed away today?
Yeah, my mom died today.
Yeah. It's a good thing to see her like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, I saw her too. Eating her salad. Queen Elizabeth. Buckingham salad.
What are you guys doing over here? Watching some. What kind of movie is that? Huh? Millard? Oh, Billiard. Okay.
So you're taking fish over to her tomorrow? Does she have children? She don't have no children or anything?
Everything picking around her, yeah. If Mike died, you could not get good food.
I know.
fish them get pretty and fried and take time and then soak. You see, you can't see them on this,
Oh yeah.
One month straight.
Wait, where you sleep?
In a Jamaican cemetery. For 1 month straight. I remember virgin them. 1 month straight. I'm on the tomb them.
Yeah.
And
So if Duppy will have power, then
Duppy not the power, man. I one time no more me feel.
I'm tired too, but I'm going.
I one time no more me feel Duppy and me I say, we can't even really believe that Duppy, because I know say they come from that of a cancer from a Stony Hill. And I walk on a Canton Spring. And I know that Canton Spring market. And from there, so, I don't know I'm going to find myself I come out and a Mother White Bridge and Jamaican Cemetery. I come up and wait in there.
yeah.
I don't know how me reach there.
Maybe you tired of drunk.
I ain't drunk, I'm walk just come a Canton Spring.
That you know that.
I can't just come a Canton Spring. And we tell Virgin I say I don't believe me way. And me I say, boy, I don't know, but I Mother White Bridge and Jamaican Cemetery, I find myself I climb up on the wall. Mother White Bridge.
Yeah, it happens, man.
I don't know how me reach there. I don't know how me reach there, Denny. Real, I tell you. I don't know how me reach there. I tell you, there's no power. No, not today. You see Albinado, mother?
She died the other day, right?
My another bag died in 1994, man.
Oh, which one died the other day?
Yeah?
You have some ex died the other day?
That's my ex-wife.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So when we know the mother take sick and dead, I cousin them a carry a science man, I sister them a carry a science man, you know. And I say, when I go to my money because science money, when I go public, I go to my money. When you come from science man, you have to what the science man say. Then you got this science man, I said to me, center, where you see the big old them up on Melrose, the long house. We say, what the science man say? Say, the science man say. Then said Duppy pan her, but not for kill her. Then said Duppy pan her, that's the maga down. That's the maga down. And when she maga down, me not go pay her no mind. Because I don't like slim woman.
And that a cancer she have, don't you?
I went down to her last and got doctor and doctor said, boy, I can't see her man. Me say, you see that woman, the sister dead, you know.
Yeah.
Me say, if them say,
You're not videotaping him, and you're not going to put that conversation on YouTube, are you? Yeah. You know, you're saying that anything. Why you got the camera?
me say,
You're not editing anything.
so me say, oh, you go say, me not pay no mind when your mother do. And me there, me come here every day, come look for you. So you say, science man wrong.
Science man general. Jamaican science man general.
You see, science man tell you what you want to hear. Take your money. I tell you what you want to hear. Because every woman in Jamaica, they got science man. First thing science man tell them about.
Are your neighbor?
Either your neighbor, your man, or your woman.
Yes.
What's the name there, you know? And them two things never tell you, you know.
My mother got a science man too. Go on science man too, and then Oral Roberts. Not Oral Roberts. I don't tell her if you dig wall and get duck hands there, so I put it on the wall
All them things.
and throw hot water. And that time mama dig wall and we have to dig wall for her, you know. And she put down her hand in the hot water, the duck and nest, and boy, me a tell.
stupid thing.
All them stupid things them. And all them time them not believe in that thing there. And me and the brother them believe in it, but me never believe in that thing
Yeah,
there.
because you say believe kill and believe cure.
Yeah.
Because if you believe, you know, you say if you believe, end up in the house.
You did believe in Duppy one time when you said that you saw the
When I-
bird that
when I
the bird
was-
had
when I was-
the five toes, and you,
when I
said
was-
you started crying and said, "Oh my God, the Duppy."
When I was a
So Duppy-
when I was a kid, when I was a kid, I used to believe in
You had
Duppy.
no choice.
Me not no choice.
Well, you
But
learned.
yeah, me used to believe,
Yeah.
but when me grew up, I went
Let me tell you when me start believing in Duppy.
Don't laugh, Karen.
One time mama gone to market, you know, cause sometimes mama go to market. I'm up a road, you know. Me walk up a road, up on one ackee tree, some bird up on the ackee tree. And me say, me fling a stone and it catch a bird and the bird jump. As the bird jump, one thing flashing on my mind, I say, look, can they say the bird are 5 to a Duppy?
That's what the man is, had your
So
Duppy
it
bird.
click them. So me look on the toe, on the bird them, on the bird, and a 5 toe me see. This a me head raise big so. Me run down the yard, me run down the yard. And me start crying, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. A Duppy bird, a Duppy bird. But nobody no did that to save me, cause mama gonna market.
Yeah. Laughing.
Creamy. Little laugh because you put hours on the plate and you carried it.
Give me the hot fish.
One time you told that
Oh my God.
if you got some place out in Egypt, you can't bring a fork to go eat with it, you have to eat with your hand, you know.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Africa, you know.
With the hot fish plate.
Creamy, your wife, man, you know, so you like it. The
Jugger did do something one time with a Duppy.
Eh?
What Jugger do? Jugger said him kill a Duppy and him fight the Duppy. And he'll come back.
No.
And Mama put him
But-
inside of a box.
When Jugger was
Jugger inside of a box and take the stick and beat the outside of the box. And Jugger inside crying said, "Look, sorry, Mama, me not do it no more, me not do it no more."
no, Mama used to do that with me too. Like if so if they say a Duppy and we come in our house, Mama pretend to beat you and say cry. And she start licking me, like, oh God, oh God, oh God. We not do it no more because we say we see Duppy and we're not supposed to say we see any Duppy.
Why?
Because a tradition, I don't know. It don't make no sense, but as kids, you don't know no better, you understand me? Because if the Duppy know that if you beat the pitney, they're not going to do the pitney
Jugger
nothing.
said something about that somebody told your mother that he was fighting the Duppy. He was fighting the Duppy.
One time, when Jugger was young, a little baby, right? Not that little baby, but in lick a bird, a drunkler. And them saying go back to walk, creeping again. And saying lick a Duppy. Duppy drunkler. One woman named Miss Roslyn. And Jugger go back to creeping. We are here at Dangali's kitchen, having a good time, eating some fish, talking about Duppy.
Lovely story, a storyline, man. Duppy, a story. And one thing, you know, Duppy be a lot of bad names doing it, man.
I don't know name Duppy.
You know the white people don't think about them again.
Some white people do it, man. Some believe in it, man, bad. Yeah, man. Some believe in it, yeah, man.
Well, I pay black people me talk about nothing.
Them white people down south,
Yeah.
them country white people down south,
Yeah.
they believe in stuff like that.
Yeah.
Thanks for the fish, Bangali.
Yeah.
It's good, man.
Yeah.
So how is the fish? How is the fish?
Like it always is good.
It's good. How is the fish, Karen?
Very good.
It's very good. Good.
Thank you.
I can ask Mario the fish, because Mario Vega.
Oh,
Mario
Mary doesn't eat fish. Okay. Yeah. Right.
Liana, how's the fish? You're coming into the video? You're coming into the video? Come take a picture in the video. Come give me a pose. Come give me a pose in the video. Give me a pose in the video. give me a pose. Turn to the camera and give a pose. Give me a nice pose. I give grandpa a hug in the video.
Yeah, that's so sweet. That's so sweet.
Give Nana a hug in the video. Give Nana a hug in the video. Give Nana a hug in the video.
That's so sweet. Oh.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You give Auntie Lina a hug.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I love you, Lele.
So how is the fish coming on?
Escovitch them Escovitch a while.
Oh, thank you, Penny. Sorry.
So this is the final touch.
Yeah, Escovitch.
So now Gangali having the final touch on the Escovitch fish.
Cola, sparkling tonic,
Yeah.
orange mango. That's how they have to shoot it in it. This one. I think this one.
Looking good, Gangali.
Yes, good too.
And it never even take you a long time to do.
What kind of fish was that? Creamy red snap?
Which one? One of them?
Yeah.
No, that's goldfish.
Goldfish? Oh, where you get that from?
Best we are.
That's
Anyway,
I like
I
fish.
So until then, we'll catch you on the other one. See Gangali make his Escovitch fish in such a short time. Yeah, man, the master of cooking. So we'll catch you on the other one, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Enough respect. We appreciate you. One love. Keep safe. Selassie.